In this video, we will see together les indéfinis, but more precisely, we will see chaque. So, of course, the question is, what are les indéfinis? So let's try to see that together. Indefinite words in French are used to refer to non-specific or unspecified people, things, or quantities. So this is the first point. Second point that is extremely important. They often express concepts like quantity, frequency, or degree without specifying exact details. And this is a key thing with les indéfinis. You don't specify exact details. And the last point, they play a crucial role in constructing sentences that refer to indefinite or unspecified concept. So clearly, if you don't really want to be specific, you will have to know and master les indéfinis. In this lesson, we will see chaque. And the indefinite chaque can be translated into various ways in every or each in English. So let's see 4 examples. Je mange une pomme chaque matin. Je mange une pomme chaque matin. Chaque étudiant doit rendre son devoir à temps. Chaque étudiant doit rendre son devoir à temps. Elle achète des fleurs chaque semaine. Elle achète des fleurs chaque semaine. Chaque pays a ses propres traditions culturelles. Chaque pays a ses propres traditions culturelles.